So in this video we are going to install Termux on our Android phone. So let's just go into Google Play and let's just type Termux. So this is Termux, which is offered by Frederick Fornwell, and we will install this tool, right? So you can see all the screenshots over here, right? So let's just install it. So it won't take that much time. It's just around 17 to 18 MB of file. And it's installed. So let's just click on open. So this is the command line interface or the Termux which we can use, and you can see all the basic commands of Termux as well. If you want to search any package, you have to type pkg and then search and then the query. If you want to install package, you have to type again pkg install and the package name, pkg upgrade to upgrade, right? If you install any root package, you have to type root repo before installing any package, right? If you just slide the left side, you will see the terminals or the sessions which you can open. So there is currently one session only. We can open a new session as well, right? So these are the two sessions, and let me do it the portrait mode so you can see all the other things as well. So we can type clear to clear out the screen. So this is how you install Termux. In the next video, we are going to see all the basic commands which we usually run on our Linux environment. We will see those commands on Termux as well. So let's just see all the basic commands of Termux as well.